I'm Jeff Sweenor, builder of the 2018 Idea House for this old house. We're located in Narragansett, Rhode Island, just a few blocks from the beach. Working with the architects from Union Studio, we created a classic beach bungalow that's rich in the details Craftsman-style homes are known for. A full-width front porch tucked under a steeply pitched roof, exposed rafter tails, cedar corbels, tapered porch columns perched on stone piers, shingle and clapboard siding, and 3/1 windows. This house is packed with ideas that you can hopefully take away for your house. All right, come on in and let me show you around. The craftsmanship that we're so proud of begins right here in the foyer. The floor is a white oak herringbone pattern outlined in dark walnut with a dramatic custom staircase built in our mill shop. I really like this cherry wood coffered ceiling. It opens up to a 2-story foyer living room furnished in the mid-century style. Up above, massive cedar trusses serve to bring the ceiling down, and a sweep of skylights let the sunshine in. The skylights open and close by solar power. On one end is a stone veneer fireplace flanked by asymmetrical shelves in walnut. On the other is a 2-tone kitchen that brings in more walnut accents. Open shelves with inset LED lighting, a beefy island, and vegetable drawers. In between, a custom beverage center and dining room table look out over the expansive patio. This feels like a vacation just to come home. And off the kitchen, we tucked in a butler's pantry. Come on, let me show you. So we've got matching walnut countertops. The cabinetry matches as well, both spacious and stylish. And look what we've done here. We've got this recessed fruit bowl into the countertop, and that was done with a CNC machine. And you know what? We've got this around the corner. Check out the stackable washer and dryer. We've got a lot of folding space and storage, and there's even a farm sink. Any beach house worth its salt can handle a large crowd. This one sleeps 11 comfortably. This crisp black and white ground floor master features a bold green accent wall and mirrored barn door. It leads to a spacious black painted bathroom with a curbless shower, heated floors, and double sinks set in a custom vanity. At the top of the stairs in this loft area, we've built in a library and a light-filled office. The second master bedroom has a Zen-like vibe and is outfitted in earthier tones. In here, the bed is smart. It even elevates. There's a V-groove ceiling and a luxurious bathroom with a freestanding soaking tub, custom built-ins, and LED lighting in the shower. And across the hall are 2 more bedrooms. A child's room with a woodsy wall mural and bunk beds, and a beachy bedroom with a window cornice that houses floral drapery. The shared bathroom features a bright blue floating vanity and pebble tiles set in a mosaic pattern to evoke the feeling of cascading water. Down 2 floors into the light-filled basement is what I call the fun zone. We've outfitted it with an authentic Finnish sauna, a media room with comfy seating, a bar-height table and stools, and mini fridge, and a mirrored gym with lockers and workout equipment. Here's where you'll also find a clear face control panel. Just one of the new and innovative smart features we've incorporated here. Moving back upstairs, on the back side of the kitchen is a mudroom, bench seating and cubbies for outerwear and sports equipment. We wallpapered the ceiling of the adjacent powder room and added penny round accent tiles and transformed a salvage dresser with a vessel sink and wall-mounted faucet. And that leads to the back porch. Off of that is a 3-season sunroom with retractable screens. Here we have more skylights and a fan to keep the air circulating, plus a daybed perfect for afternoon naps. And smooth gliding patio doors can be left open for seamless access. A breezeway off the back porch leads to the two-car garage that features a center gable and sweeping roof lines similar to the main house. And upstairs, we've outfitted the vaulted space for VIP guests with a bed that retracts into the wall when not in use, sofa and table seating, and a full bath with a tub and shower. Building the last two idea houses for This Old House has been a real honor for our company. I hope you've gotten to see something that you can use in your house. For more, be sure to visit thisoldhouse.com/2018 Idea House and my site, SweenorBuilders.com.